Hello physios, get back to my channel SPN. Today we'll learn on topic on examination of sensory system. In this we have three sensations which are superficial, deep and cortical sensation. While entering into the superficial sensation, first we will go on pain, that it might be sharp pain or dull pain. How do you examination of pain? Like first we need to ask whether the pain is sharp or dull with the help of at the end of knee hammer and checking into the all areas to be patient. It might be face, it might be hands, it might be your lower extremities of legs. You need to check all the areas with the help of at the end of knee hammer whether sharp or dull, and the patient responds it is sharp and it is dull. And temperature, how do you check temperature? There are two test tubes which are filled with warm water and other with the help of cold water. The temperature of 5 to 10 degrees, that is cold, and warm at 40 to 45 degrees, and each two test tubes must be placed randomly in contact to the skin, and the patient responds it is hot or a cold one after the other when you are giving to stimulus to the skin. Next, touch awareness. Touch awareness, it determines with the help of camel hair brush or at the end of knee hammer or taking a piece of cotton, and you should touch to the skin, and the patient's response it is yes or no. Or you can also use the piece of cotton swab also. And the pressure perception. Pressure perception, that with the help of therapist fingertip, or you can take at the end of the knee hammer and giving some pressure to the skin, so that gives the pressure perception to the patient. This picture shows that a pain, and shows a touch awareness with the help of cotton swab. Next, deep sensations. It might have kinesthetic sensation, proprioceptive awareness and vibration perception. Firstly, kinesthetic sensation. It moves. It is about awareness of movement, and it describes about whether the movement is up, that is move your limb upwards, downwards, in and outwards, and the patient responds the stimulus by moving the movement with the opposite extremity, but while performing with one hand, and he does with the other and the same movement. That is about the kinesthetic awareness. And proprioceptive awareness, it tells about firstly the patient should be eyes closed. First, the therapist examination the position and return back to the rest, and following by using the same position, the patient should be doing the same limb with the same position. That is about the proprioception awareness. That is proprioception. And next comes your vibration perception. It may include, like with the help of the tuning fork, it must be placed at the bone process, that it might be mastoid at the ear, styloid at the wrist, or it might be ankle, it might be elbow, it might be any sternum of the chest. The fork must be makes contact, and the response it will be a stimulus is vibrating or non-vibrating each time the fork must be contact. That is about the vibration perception. When entering into the cortical sensation, the main thing is about tactile localization. The therapist will place at the same position. The therapist will place exact location, and the patient should all be placed at the pointing area. That tells about the localization of the specific stimuli by pointing the area. Next, 2-point discrimination. In this, the therapist with the help of divider places 2 points to the skin contact, and he should be response yes, I have got one stimuli or two stimuli. So 2 point discrimination it will be different for individuals and also different body parts. Double simultaneous stimulation. You should use with the help of two fingers of your hands. You should be use stimulus to the hands that it makes contact to the skin, and the patient will be tell about whether he or she perceives a touch stimulus and number of the stimuli he has been felt about. Next, graphesthesia. It is about the therapist will draw the like any letters, numbers or design in the palm of the patient hands, and the patient will be verbally telling about the figuring. If the patient has any speech impairment or language impairment, he might draw some series of line drawings. That is, he can be selected from the figures of series of line drawings. Next comes the stereognosis perception. It is by the help of any object, like it may be any comb, keys, coin, safety pins, pens, pencils. He will be placed on the patient's hand and the patient must be close his eyes and he need to tell the answer what type of object it is. Next, if he has any speech impairment, there will be a sensory testing shields. Sensory testing shields is nothing but the subject will manipulate the object. That's it. And diagnosis. It means the recognition of weight. Which is more weight? It means the patient must be response whether the object is heavier or lighter. That comes your cortical sensation. And you need to be compare the relative weight of object with the previous one. Next comes the recognition of texture. It means the patient should be asked to identify what type of texture is placed in the hand, whether it is silk, cotton, or it may be texture to the rough or smooth. This is by confirmation of your cortical sensations. These are your examination of sensory system. Thanks for watching SPN.